So guys, if you wanna create some inorganic model like that, you can see that I have created this using some free plugin, guys. So here I'm gonna use this plugin. This is called a Bezier surface. Okay, this is the free of cost, you don't have to pay for it. Okay, I will give you the link in the description to download it. Okay guys, so how to do it? It will work very simple way. Suppose if you want to draw a wall and after that you want to manipulate, so first I am going to draw a wall at this height. Okay, then you have to click over here, and then after clicking just draw a rectangle over it. Okay, then double click over the surface. After double clicking, you can see there is a transformation tool are just listed here. This is the select tool, so you have to just select the nodes. This is the 4 nodes over here, you can see that. So every node when you will select, you can just drag it in any direction or manipulate it. Okay guys, just like that, pretty easy. Just select the nodes and then drag it in any direction, whether it is X, Y or Z. Okay, you can also select a multiple node, just pressing Ctrl and selecting the nodes. Okay, just like that. So this is very useful tool. Actually it will help you sometimes if you want to create some kind of curtain walls or any kind of skins for your 3D models, and this plugin gonna help you guys. So after that, if you want to create a lattice inside this model just like that, you have to just explode it. Okay guys, then select all the models and then go to extension. If you don't have installed this plugin, you can download through the link in the description. Click on the lattice maker, fill the properties like a width, depth, pen inset, what, and then pen material will be grass or any kind of solid. Okay, so just click OK button, and within a few seconds it will be something like that. Okay guys, so this is pretty cool plugin you must have, and I hope this video gonna help you. So if you have any comment regarding this video, please comment in comment section, and please subscribe my channel and have fun guys. Thank you.